Hello plant friends! I'm having my morning coffee and I'm chatting it up with my Variegated Monstera Aurea, also known as the yellow Variegated Monstera, also known as the marmorata. They're all essentially the same thing. They're telling me that they're just not getting the love and affection from the plant community as much as the other Variegated Monstera. Yes, I know. I know you're not as common as the Thai constellations, not as sought after as the Albo, and there's a new kid on the block, the Mint Monstera, and it's pretty sad because these are pretty too, and they also deserve our love and affection and a place in our collection. Oh, I made a rhyme. So that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be about love and affection for the Aurea slash marmorata slash yellow Variegated Monstera. A video just about these guys, or gals. This Aurea I've had in my collection for a while. This one is popping out a new leaf. If you look very closely at the leaf, it seems like this new leaf is going to be very well variegated. The Aurea is pretty particular in that all the specimens I've seen, they tend to pop out pure green leaves more often than, say, the Thai constellation or the Albo or the Mint Monstera. This one's a recent addition to my collection. It's still sitting in moss, still working on its roots. All the leaves are variegated. The variegation for the Aurea slash yellow slash marmorata, we're just gonna call it the Aurea for the rest of the video so I don't have to keep doing that, is I would describe it as a yellow or a golden, yeah, like sort of a golden yellow, a very light green. This last one is my most mature one. The maturity shows through with the fenestrations. This one also shows a very wide spectrum of color, from a leaf that is purely dark green. A new leaf here is lighter green. I'm unsure if this leaf is going to turn a much darker color or not. All the leaves are showing lots and lots of really good color. There are areas of creamy yellow or very light green to a lighter green to golden, bright, yellowish, greenish color. In terms of their care, I do find that they're a bit more prone to root rot than the Thai constellation. Probably not so much as with the Albo, but probably close. So now I'm just going to carry my Aurea around and put them next to my other Variegated Monstera so you can see the difference in coloration in case it doesn't show up that well on the camera. If you're enjoying this video, please like, please subscribe. It really helps out a lot. So this is the Aurea next to the Mint Monstera. This is the leaf of the Aurea next to my Thai constellation. So there are definitely patches on the Aurea that is very similar to the creaminess of the Thai constellation. A little different, and obviously the other patches of green and light green and yellow of the Aurea give it away. Okay, so this is the Aurea next to the Albo. I think the difference in this one is very clear. Albo, white. Aurea, not white. You can see that these are beautiful plants. In the US, I would have to say that they're a bit harder to find. They're also on the smaller size. If you have all the other Variegated Monstera or you're looking to add more to your collection, really consider these.